So hey guys, let's see the next question. It's power of x to the power n. It's like a binary exponentiation problem. So let's see this. If we have input x equal to 2.0000 and n is 10, so we have to calculate 2 to the power 10. So it will come like 1024 point something. So let me explain here. It's something x to the power n. Okay. So in the why the normal x to the power n fails? Because in this, if we have a more numbers, if we have so many range of numbers, so in that case it will fail because of it will work in n complexity. So and if we calculate this power comma x comma n, it will calculate in log n complexity. Okay, how that we will see. Okay, so how it will work, let's see. If we have a question x to the power n, we can also write this as x to the power n by 2 to the power 2. Okay, we can write this same for everyone. X, we can also write this x to the power n by 3 to the power 3. Okay, so these are correct. So that we will do what, like we will get the power of half. Okay, half power, we will get the half power, and then we will start multiplying. Means we will calculate the square root of this number, half. Okay, okay, I will make you see. Like, what will be our answer? Result equal to x to the power n by 2 multiplied by x to the power n by 2. Okay, and because it will become like x to the power n by 2 ka whole square, and it is also x to the power n. So this is our result. But there are a few cases, like if the power of this, like this is, if this is 0, then our result is 1. So if this is our base case, we will do recursion here. Okay, this is our base case. If the power is 0, then the result is 1. Okay, and what you have to see here, like if the number is 3 and the number is 2, okay, we will calculate 3 power of 3 comma 2, and we will calculate now power of 2 comma 2. Okay, it will become 3 to the power 2. It will like 3 to the power 1 to the power 2. What is this? 3 into 3 equal to 9. This is 9, and if we have 2 to the power 3, what it will become? 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 by 2 divided by 2, sorry, square by 2. Okay, so 3 by 2 turns out to be 1 to the power 1 into 2, 2 square is equal to 4. Okay, but this is not the correct answer. The correct answer is 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 8. So what you see, if n is even, n is odd. Okay, in the even case, we can easily get the integer division. When we divide by 2. Okay, there is no remainder left. So in this case, the answer will be half to half, means the square of this. Okay, but in the odd case, if the power is odd, then we have to see, like this was our half into half answer, and we have also to add x. Sorry, we have also to multiply the x. So our answer is x into half square. This is our main case, and we will use recursion. Like we are getting, if we have this, we will be getting x power n by 2, n by 4. Okay, this. So we are to go in this type. So let's code this question. First we have to use our base case. Our base case is when the power is 0, our answer is 1. Okay, so if n equal to 0, then return 1. Okay, this was our base case, and there is one more base case. If our power is negative, if power is negative. Okay. Okay, so let's see this test case 2.0 and n equal to minus 2. Okay, so if x equal to 2.0000 and n equal to minus 2, in this case 2.00 power minus 2, what it will become? 1 upon 2.00 square. So this is like 1 upon power of x comma minus n. Okay, this function, our n turns out to be minus n because our power is now positive because we are dividing it with 1. So in this case we will return this. Okay. So if n is less than equal to n is less than 0, what in this case? Return 1 upon my power x comma minus n. Okay, and this is correct, and we have to use this long because here it will overflow if we don't, if we use int. So we used long here. Now what of our case, we have to calculate half. Okay, half means the power divided by 2, or divide by, we have to divide the power by 2 until it will become 0, and when it becomes 0 we will return minus 1. So in this case, in this way we will return the final answer. So what is half? Half is my power of x comma n by 2. Okay, in it is in the recursive manner, recursion. Okay, and on recursion it will go until the base case is hidden. So what's after this? We will return our result. If, what is the case of result? If odd power, then result is half into half into the x. Okay, and if even power, then result is half into half simply. Okay, so we will use this. If the power is n, we will check if n modulo is 2 is not equal to 0, means the, if n modulo 2 equal to 0, it means it is even. So in this case we will return half. Okay, and in the other case, else if it is not even, it will be odd, else we will return half into x. Okay, and at the final answer we will return, one second, we will make a variable result. Okay, result equal to 0, and at the last we will return result. Okay, now submit. Okay, we are not using modulo, we have to use modulo here. Okay, now run. So something is wrong, 2 cases are submitted but the second case is not running. What's wrong here? 8.40. Okay, I think we have to initialize this using double. Okay, we are using auto and it is 0, it will fetch like int, but we have to use double here. Now we should submit, we should run, and I think we have also to use use double instead of long. Now let's run. Okay, it's now submitted, it's now compiled. Now we have to run. Okay, this is accepted. So we have did this question. So let's wait for another question. Till then, goodbye.